Hello, so this video is to help you if you're having a hard time with figuring out how to find the percentage of bacterial cells. So I'm going to start off by writing out the equation. So it was the number, let me just get my pen here. So it was the number of bacteria variation over the total number of bacteria. And then if we put that in parentheses, because we're going to time that whole thing by 100 in order to get our percent. Now, so now that we know that we have the equation, I'm going to walk you through how you are going to do that. So if we were to take the example from the initial population, we know there's going to be one purple bacteria. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose blue close to, because that's close to purple. So when we do that, there was only one purple bacteria out of the total initial population, which was 4. So then we are going to write our 4 on the bottom. We're going to put that in parentheses, and we're going to times whatever that value is by 100. Now, the way that we do the fraction is if we go to the calculator, then all you have to do is type in that fraction in order to get a decimal. Once you get that decimal, you can then go ahead and multiply it by 100, and that full value is going to give you your answer, which is right in that 25. So 25% is what we're looking for here. Okay, so then that's going to equal 25%. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that with another example. So let's say, for example, at the end of your simulation, you are going to take a look at the red number of bacteria cells. And let's say randomly I'm going to choose a number and say that there were 38 red bacterial cells. But there was a total of about 103. So let's try to figure out what that percentage is going to be. So let's go back to the calculator. And we are going to go ahead and type in 38 divided by 103. And that's going to give you a decimal. So then you have to go ahead and you have to multiply it by 100. And that's going to give you your decimal number, which is 36.89%. And that is how you solve for the percentage. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer them.